how to fix World app no backup found. So I'm going to explain why you might be getting this issue and how you can fix it. So the first thing that I suggest doing is checking if you are using the correct SIM card. So if you have dual SIM enabled, then you want to remove one of the SIM cards and only leave your main one, which is linked to your World app account. Alright, so if you don't have multiple SIM cards and just have one and you are still getting this issue, make sure you are using the correct Google account. Now, if you have checked this and you are certain that those are indeed your credentials, you can go into storage here. We're just going to go into storage, go into iPhone storage. And from here, we want to find the World app. So I'm going to sort it by name, go down W. And once you find the World app, you will click on it. You want to offload the application and then you will need to reinstall it. So click on reinstall app once this pops up. All right, if you have done all of this, then this should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.